Anais.
And I'm Anar.
And we're the ini2kidz Productions. And we're taking Ghost Recon out of this box. It's something similar to Call of Duty, and this is a special edition. And here's the game. It's right here. And this is something that's extra, so we can put it to the side.
And the Ghost Recon, it's Ghost Recon breaking point. This is just something extra.
Here's
This
some extra stuff.
is like the pad to hold the games and other stuff.
And
Then we have, and this is where we really unbox stuff. And this is where stuff will go get cool, guys. So get ready to get your guys' mind blown. So,
oh yeah, and this is an Xbox One thing. You could play it on your if you got an Xbox, then you could play it on there. But it says Xbox One, so I guess you could play on. I guess you could play on.
look, see? Look at this beautiful box.
Yeah.
And this is where you guys mind gets money. Now we're gonna open this box.
How is it open? You can't do that. How do we open it? There's no way we can take this out.
Oh my god, guys, look at this. This is so cool and awesome.
Yeah, it got a little character inside.
We got the gun, and then we got the character, and then we
And-
also got,
Another gun.
yeah.
Where's the rules? Wait, there's tape right there. There's tape right there. You can't do that. There's tape. Cute.
Look at the background, guys. It looks so cool. Look at the back. And look what it says right here. You guys could comment down below if you guys have this and know Ghost Recon.
Yeah.
And guys, look what is here. And look what's right here.
No, what is this? What?
And also comment down below if you have this action figure.
Yay, I opened it, guys. Look at this cool gun. Could he hold it? Let's just get this one. Hey, here's another gun. Yay. Let's get him out. He kind of feels heavy. You want to feel him?
This guy, he's heavy and he looks so cool, guys. Look how cool this looks. Maybe he can hold one of the guns.
Yeah. Let's try and put it.
Oh my god, he can actually hold the gun, guys.
Yeah. When he actually holds it. See, look at this. He's actually holding the gun.
Bye,
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe to this video.
and comment down below.